Hello everyone, this is Ankur. Today we have to solve Loop's problem of Hackerrank. So let's get started. We have to give an n integer and now we have to print the square between the non-negative to n. So let's get started. So here also given an example, we have to give t and now we have to print 0, square of 0 is 0, square of 1 is 1, square of 2 is 4. Number between 3 is 0, 1 and 2 from non-negative. Here also given one example 5. Number is 0, square of 0, square of 1 is 1. Is 10. Let's Python. Now first task is to iterate the loop from 0 to n. I in we use range function. Now we print square of I into 1. Now we run this code and check it program is run on. So you see pass the test case. Now we submit this code and check pass the test cases. Our program. If you like this video then please subscribe my channel and share it to your friends. Thank you.